Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Max 3 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel shortcuts, and here we can see a lot of different icons. If you want to add here some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon, and now we can see here this down section with invisible icons. If you want to add, for example, the storage, or just hold it and drag it to the subsection. By the same way, if you want, you can add here all of these icons features. If you want to just remove some of icons from here, just hold it and drag it to this down section by this way, and to change their positions, just hold and drag it. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. And then just to save the changes, just go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.